When people are watching stuff on them?
Yeah.
It's a little
rain, and in the Sierra, we could shoot maybe 2 to 3 feet of on Facebook very quickly.
But not everyone is pleased that it's now so easy to identify someone on Facebook.
Most of the time it's all fun and good, but there are certain times when maybe you don't want a child to be recognized by either an ex-spouse or a disgruntled in-law. Now, Photo Tagger, along with all sorts of other concerns you may have about Facebook, can be taken care of by adjusting the privacy settings on the website. So far from it, which is why many people find themselves seen in places they'd rather not be.
Facial recognition could help you boost your social networking profile if that's what you want, and Face.com says so far, feedback has been positive.
We don't see any problem. We've never heard a single feedback that raised concern regarding privacy once we've launched it.
But with any social network, it pays to be wary when it comes to your privacy.
Once it's posted, that photograph no longer belongs to you. It belongs to the universe, and you're subject to whatever the universe does with it.
Something to keep in mind if you're worried about who might be watching you. Scott Budman, NBC Bay Area News.
when people are watching stuff on them?
Yeah.
It's a little creepy, though, what's happening. So, what's going on?
We're getting the same stuff at a
It was cold, didn't it say? And it's cold tonight.
Yes, we're already pretty close to 30 degrees in Napa, and it's only 11 o'clock. So, yes, we're well on our way to another cold night tonight. Patchy frost advisors again, same spots around some 30 this morning. That include the East Bay Valleys, North Bay Valleys. You'll be dipping into the 30s just in time for the Monday morning commute. We will be dry, but certainly chilly around the Bay Area. There you see the areas we suspect to see the coldest temperatures right there around Livermore, north up towards Santa Rosa, Napa. You'll see temperatures in the low 30s. Coldest time of night will be between 3 in the morning to 8 o'clock. So obviously protect those temperature-sensitive plants. Bring in the pets from outdoors, and hopefully we'll see some warmer temperatures as we go into Tuesday and Wednesday morning. So we have an interesting weekend now. First we got the cold temperatures, dry conditions as we go into Monday. And look at the stormy action here in the Gulf of Alaska. What's happening in the Gulf of Alaska, a lot of wind is going to start to reach the coast in the form of some pretty big surf by the time we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So we could see Northwest swell approaching the coastline, maybe up to 17 feet by Tuesday and Wednesday. For tomorrow, though, it will be dry. You have the very chilly start to the morning, the 30s and 40s. Afternoon temperatures pretty nice. 2 inches of rain, and in the Sierra, we could see maybe 2 to 3 feet of snow as we wrap up the week. So good news for the Sierra snowpack later on this week and for our rainfall here in the Bay Area. Tonight, temperatures in the 30s. It'll be quite chilly. Again, that patchy frost advisor will continue through tomorrow morning for North and East Bay Valleys. Highs tomorrow, though, pretty nice for November standards, upper 60s. Tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week. 57 in San Jose, mid-60s San Francisco with sunshine, chilly start to the morning. East Bay temperatures in the mid-to-upper 60s, and for the North Bay, pretty nice as well. For your Monday afternoon, we'll see highs in the 60s. Almost everyone has the same afternoon temperature for tomorrow, though things starting to get interesting. Tuesday to Wednesday, it's the first chance showers. Friday looks pretty soggy, but good timing clearing after the weekend as the Sierra gets its first real taste of snow, measuring in feet at the last night.
Just in time, and your North Star squad will open up the heavenly this coming weekend. All right, thanks a lot. Still ahead at 11 o'clock, an alarming new study on a popular cholesterol drug. What?
Hello, everybody. I'm Roger McFly alongside Raider star Nnamdi Asomugha. We got some big news tonight from the Warriors and San Jose State. Also, the big game, Stanford and Cal. Who are you rooting for? The Bears will win.